Hi there, it's Michelle Holly, Maddie's mom. In this More Time Together video, our family is on the Carnival Freedom. I used the Carnival app to make a reservation for the Build-A-Bear workshop at Sea Party as soon as we boarded the ship. This is day 2 of the cruise, a day at sea. We brought along our own teddy bear because we weren't sure what to expect. Keep watching to learn all the details and some great tips. Be sure to get a number which tells you your spot in line. While we waited in this lounge, I used the time to show my daughter the ocean and clouds, which were in books we read before coming on this cruise. I added the books to our Amazon idea lists, which are linked below in the comments. Do you know what we're gonna do? They have a Build-A-Bear here. We're gonna get a new outfit for your bear. The party is about to begin. We are so excited to see what this will be like. We are number 31, and we're gonna have a good time with my daughter. Each furry friend builder was given one of these hearts as you walked in, and keep watching to see where this heart ends up.
Carnival Freedom family, who is ready for Build-A-Bear? Yes! Wonderful, wonderful. My name is Kimbo. I'm part of your fun squad team, and I'm also your comedy club host as well. If you just came in here last night, welcome to Build-A-Bear with myself and your Camp Ocean team. Are you all excited? Yes. What? Yes. You seem angry and excited. That's good. Guys, if you have one of those little hearts, stand up for me. If you have one of these, if you don't have one, grab one of them from your Camp Ocean team if you're ready to build a bear. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so what you're going to do with these little hearts, first of all, you're going to rub it on your head. Rub it on your head because you want your Build-A-Bear to be lovely and brainy, just like yourselves, okay? You're going to rub it on your cheeks, both cheeks, because it's going to be wonderful and soft. Lovely and soft. You're going to put it close to your heart. So it's going to be filled with lots of love, wonderful. I'm making sure all the grown-ups are doing this as well. I can see you. You're going to rub it on your tummy, rub it on your belly, so you're never going to go on new furry friend. He's always going to need you. Oh, see what I did there? Wonderful. Now then, along with those hearts, you should have those numbers as well. Has everybody got a number? Wonderful. So with those numbers, guys, we're going to call you up to the stage, number by number. You're going to come over to the stage over on this side first, and you're going to choose your new furry friend out of all these lovely ones. Can I get a ooh? Wonderful. You're then going to walk over here, so it's going to get nice and fluffy, and then over here you have all these wonderful accessories. This is my favorite one. Look at this one. How cute is that? It's lovely. Okay, so we are going to get started. We are going to call up numbers 1 and 2. If that is you, come on over to this side of the stage. Don't forget, guys, be careful. There is a little step over around by the corner that you can come over here as well. So, guys, one more time. Who's excited for Build-A-Bear? Let's get going. I'm going to put on that wonderful cheesy music as well.
Check out these handy charts we used to help us decide what we wanted to buy while we waited in line. Items ranged anywhere from $6 to about $30. My daughter was number 31, and we waited for about 30 minutes until we were called to go up on stage.
Okay, guys, let's get 31, 32.
That's you, Maddie! That's your number! Check out the furry friends that were available on our particular cruise. There was this dinosaur, a carnival-themed teddy bear, a tie-dye teddy bear, ocean animals like this cute penguin, a shark, and the turtle. This furry friend looks like he belongs on the Lido deck. And wouldn't you know, my daughter picked up my brother's favorite animal, a turtle. Look what happens.
This is what Matthew wants to tell you.
Daddy, do you want me to get you a turtle? Yeah? Alright, let's go pick it out.
Yeah. Who's gonna buy you that, Maddie? Oh. Yay! Maddie's gonna get that for you. go.
Remember that heart my daughter was holding at the beginning of the video? Well, now it's inside her turtle. And coincidentally enough, she named her turtle Heart. The turtle is super cute, but can't wear any of these clothes. So I am glad I brought her teddy bear along because I did want to get a carnival themed outfit or at least some type of shirt for her teddy bear. So we were checking out the captain's outfit, the carnival ball cap. There was a cute little hoodie, but it was out of stock. On the other side of the accessories rack were some more outfits, and my daughter ended up picking out this carnival pink shirt. Her teddy bear does not have any sandals, so there were a few options, and she was shopping through to see which ones she wanted to buy. She ended up picking out this pink pair, which were super cute. So cute that we bought 2 extra pairs for her to take home to give to her cousins as gifts from our cruise. When we go shopping together, I like to have my daughter help with the checkout process to build those life skills. I was so happy to see she knew what to do here. The Build-A-Bear workshop at Sea Party was a smooth process, and some of the steps are shorter than when going to the physical store. But this was a great option on board the cruise for my daughter, and she had a great time picking out her furry friend. I'm glad it was at the beginning of the cruise because she carried her turtle everywhere we went.
What'd you get? Let's see the birth certificate.
Born today, to be determined details. Was that fun, Daddy? Yeah. You say that was fun. Thanks for joining us on the Build-A-Bear Workshop at Sea Party. You can check out our other Build-A-Bear Workshop videos linked in the comments below. We'd love for you to like our videos, share them with your fellow furry friend lovers, and subscribe to our channel.
More time together.
What's your turtle's name? Turtle?
Yeah.
What do you
get to choose the name.
Yeah, what are you gonna name it?
Heart.
Let me hear.
Heart.
Oh.